Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes easiest way to set up VPN on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click VPN. Click Add a VPN connection. VPN provider, select Windows. Type connection name. Type vpnbook.com in browser search bar. Click Free Open VPN account. Copy server name. Paste it under server name or address. VPN type is automatic. Type of sign-in info is username and password. Click Save. Open Saved VPN. Click Connect. Copy username and password from website. Click OK. VPN successfully connected. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.